Ouch, I just pinched myself. Remember I told you guys? Woo-hoo-hoo. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Brock Go Fast. As you can see, the hood is up on the Yukon, so obviously we're working on that today. Camaro's looking good, sitting pretty, and we are on the, I guess, the path, right, to blacking out the Yukon. And what I mean by that is taking all the chrome off, that grill, those fog light surrounds, that little chrome piece right there. And one of the biggest things is the badges on the side. And I wanted to get those all blacked out as well, because I am debadging the vehicle. So, and the badges I'm talking about are these bad boys. These bad boys. They are chrome. You can kind of do vinyl if you wanted, but I just don't want to do that, and I'll tell you in just a minute. Because first, you're gonna hit subscribe, you're gonna hit like, you're gonna comment below, and I'm gonna try to make this easy peasy for you, because I noticed there's not very many install videos on the Yukon and all the stuff we do to this vehicle. I know people out there are modding these, doing the same thing that I'm doing, but there's no video really explaining how it's done, what they're doing. It's just, here, I dropped it off and now I have it back. You know, I don't do that. I want to do it myself. So these badges right here, there's a couple ways we can do this. Okay, so there is the OEM one that is all blacked out, which is what I did. I bought the OEM black badges because I figured let's go OEM when we can, and the other stuff will come, because it is an expensive vehicle. I want this to be nice for many years to come. So they sell a vinyl that will go over this, which it actually looks really good. It's probably pretty easy. It's cheap. It's only like 10 bucks, but over time that's going to fade. You're going to have to do it again. And to be honest, I'd rather have just the all black piece. There is another custom company called VIP that has another set of these, but they sell them for like $400, which is astronomical. I mean, I think it's crazy just for these. You can take them off, get them painted, but I figured, you know what, maybe I'll sell these, I'll get the other ones, and we'll make it nice. Now, they did come with all of the black OEM lettering, but I took all the lettering off the back. I'm going to take the Denali portion off the front here too, so it's a nice clean look. And then we are going to work on all this chrome, that down below, and we are going to get that nice and gloss black, so the whole vehicle will look jamming. So let's take a look at the parts. I'll put the part number on here so you can get an idea of what it is. I got them for $176 shipped, I think, online. So use the part number, look down, look in on the websites, look on Amazon, look on eBay, look on, well, actually don't look on eBay because they were really expensive. Look on like GM Parts Direct, things like that, compare prices and try to get them for you, because there is good deals out there to be had. So let's start by looking at the product first. Okay, here we go. That is the part number. So there you go. Now you can see it. This is the badging, or that in the box is still the badging, but here we go. I wanted to show you this. It's a little hard to, let's see here. I mean, I guess it's harder to do with one hand, but I wanted to show you this. Check that out. Is that not killer? It looks good. I love the flat black that goes with it. Let's hold it up against, let's go to this one so we can get an idea. Look at that. That's gonna look pretty darn good. Bam. Oh yes. Oh yeah, it's gonna look good. Look at the black wheels. Bam. That's gonna look good. Like it. Now let's get these things installed. Should be really, really easy. Got these tabs on the back, these little clips that we will use some pliers and pop them right out. So let's get to the install. Okay, so first we have to pop the hood. I know it sounds so weird to say, because to be honest, if you don't know how to pop the hood, stop, hit pause, do not try this. This is going to be way too difficult for you if you cannot do this. Just disclaimer for you. Now that we got the hood popped, right? Look at that beastly engine here. Our goal is to get here. We want to get these clips off. Now I thought originally, let's open the door, creates a gap, we'll get in through there. Too hard. But what I found out on both sides, I don't know if you can see this, but right there, those are the tabs. So I can stick my hand in there, or stick my hand in there, and with pliers, be able to get each of the tabs. So I'll show you on this side as well, so everybody knows. This side I think is a little easier. You can see that's a good spot. So we are just going to get the pliers, clippy clippy, and pop those out. So let's get our needle nose pliers. We're gonna work our hand in there slowly, carefully, and just pinch each one until it starts to move and slide out and we can take it out. Should be super easy. But I say that and things happen all the time. All right, we have our needle nose pliers. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you how I'm getting them out, but I'll kind of try to bring you on and see what I'm doing. And I'll try to explain this as we go. But like I said, we're just gonna pinch these and move the clip out. Just pop it out just a little bit, use your fingers, and be able to get these out. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can get our hands in here. It's gonna be tough. Don't drop these. What I like to do is put a finger, hold them like this, put a finger here, so you can maneuver them, and don't drop them. Kind of got to do this by feel. Ow. Not easy. Use your fingers a little bit. Not be great. And we'll try to work from this side and work our way this way. You kind of gotta feel around in here. All right, a little harder to feel around than I thought. So what we will do is take a look at this, right? 1 clip, 2 clip, 3 clip, 4, and 5. So there's 5. So you can feel around. Pinch, 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 right? Okay. I don't even know if you saw that. Yes, you did. I always start with the hardest side first, because if you can't get it done, then you didn't just do one side and get frustrated. You know what I mean? It's gonna be a little more frustrating than I thought. One of the bigger problems is I can't see. Brought a squeegee with me. That way we can do this and hopefully get a little bit of a wedge in here. All right, that one's good. Really got to feel around there. Ugh. It just clipped back again. Oh. Ouch, I just pinched myself. Remember I told you guys? Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy, that hurt. Alright, so So we wedge this in here so this doesn't snap back in. Getting closer, folks. It's all about the feel and not cutting your dang finger off. There she goes. Wow, my finger hurts. Now the last one, you could probably use your finger. Gonna have to get on the stool for this one. Man, I really pinched myself. No. That's what you don't want to do, is break off this clip. Well, that's frustrating. All right. There you go. Well, don't be like Brock. Don't break that tap. You gotta be careful. It's pretty brittle. And it is what it is, right? Oh, we fixed it. Well, that was simple. If it breaks, you'll be all right. Now the easiest part, right? Putting on the next one. All right. Okay, now that that one's out, this is gonna be easy. Just line up your holes, your clips, make sure everything lines up well. Fingers just, oh. Make sure everything's clean around it. Line up the holes. Both sides. Just go around. Make sure. Boom. That's it. Oh man. Looks way better. I think we're gonna get rid of that today. That's gonna go away. And then I'll work on the rest of that chrome, but oh yeah, looks good. Doesn't look quite as good as it should because of the chrome that's still there, but these are black OEM badging. I mean, it looks awesome actually. Look at that, that's gonna look good. Woo! Yes, I like that. OEM, bam. So next up is just repeat on that side. Do the same thing we did here, easy peasy. Told y'all it's a very easy job. And if you can't open the hood, you shouldn't be under it. So hopefully this helps. It's simple process. I think it's easier than even on the trucks because you had to take a bunch of stuff off to get to the fender of the trucks. But yeah, repeat, slap them on there and you'll be good to go. So I want to say thank you for watching. Hope you had a good time. Hope this was informative, and we will be doing more stuff with the GMC Denali Yukon XL. Next up will probably be this grill because I cannot stand the big giant chrome, and we're gonna go all black. So it should look really, really, really good. Before we end the video, hit subscribe, hit like, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Brock, go fast.